Welcome, incremental greetings. So today I want to cover about templates, advanced templates. I did advanced templates first or second week of starting Super Memo. Oh, more than 50. Oh my god! But now I'm going to the next level. So for instance, that's the old, also known as, with that picture as a component. And now I have this one. It doesn't necessarily mean it's better, but as you can see, no, you cannot see it here. Okay, let me check one example. I'm including text as well. Another example will be the example. Okay, that's the old one. Now I remove the picture, that is why it's not showing. And that's the new one. It's more eye candy, more pleasing, more aesthetically pleasant. But the example, it's in the picture, it's not a component. But as you can see, the example word, it's in the picture itself, it's not a component. Because what you do is save template and save with objects. I don't like that much, this approach, so I really want to hard code everything and just save plain and simple template, and in that case the picture of that item. So let me show you another example, because now I wanted to do a new template for Super Memo Guru.
Let's go learning. By Kilian Polosorba.
It's not needed, but I want to save right at the beginning without editing. Guru article. I just, for the sake of sorting, article Guru. Now I will apply that article Guru. So it will be easier to see the changes I make. Okay, article Guru. So now first step for real for the layout is to go here, edit. Where is edit? I'm blind. Oh, it's here. You have to click outside of the component. Edit, edit, background, and import file. Okay, so now step 2 will be to make the background. So what I do actually is use plain and simple PowerPoint. I don't need fancy software. So let me see, Super Memo. So save as that's the ball. We'll do PNG. Yep, this one, just this one. Okay. So now edit, background, import file, presentation 1, and I'll call that template SM Guru. Yeah, why not? Ta-da! So fancy. And now maybe I want to change the color of the component, but for now I will leave it like that.